deep sea coconut, palm seeds in healthy serum. Healthy serum, not healthy.
Healthy syrup? Oi, couple.
Try to piss me off,
Wait, should
huh?
I pour everything in?
No, pour the water out.
Oh, this jackfruit we haven't eaten in a while, actually.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna put some condensed milk on top. Mix everything up.
No, don't pour on too much condensed milk, dude. That's how we get in the plates. Remember that time the landlords when you say you want to eat condensed milk jelly, and then you gave